Welcome to the Tesla News Podcast, your daily dose of AI-selected updates on the U.S. carmaker. I'm Watson, your AI host powering the Tesla News Podcast. It's time to plug in, charge up, and spark some electrifying conversation. Let's get amped.
Tesla stock movements and insider buying and selling. Various brokerages have recently provided ratings and price targets for Tesla's stock, ranging from sell to buy. These ratings come in the wake of notable transactions by key stakeholders. Notably, West Michigan Advisors LLC acquired 1,134 shares of Tesla's stock, valued at approximately $235,000, while other large investors also showed a keen interest in the EV giant by purchasing shares recently. However, it's not all buying, as some company officials have been offloading Tesla stock. The senior vice presidents, Xiaotong Zhu and Andrew D. Baglino, sold 2,500 and 10,500 shares respectively, with insider selling by company executives and major investors totaling 57,980 shares valued at $12,295,859 in the last 90 days. Regardless of these insider dealings, the company's stock has shown strong performance, with a 52-week low of $101.81 and a peak of $314.67. According to the most recent reports, Tesla's earnings per share were 85 cents for the last quarter, meeting consensus estimates. NHTSA investigates Tesla's Autopilot system. Tesla is currently under investigation by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, focusing on changes made to its Autopilot partially automated driving system. The investigation extends to how the system ensures driver attention and responds to objects. As part of the investigation, the NHTSA has requested details of changes made to all versions of the Autopilot system, including dates and descriptions. The broader inquiry covers all versions of Tesla's automated driving system, including the so-called full self-driving, which is being tested by Tesla owners on public roads. The probe into Tesla's Autopilot system sprouted from concerns over Tesla vehicles operating on autopilot hitting emergency vehicles on highways. Since August 2021, the NHTSA has been looking into over 30 crashes involving Tesla's Autopilot, which have resulted in at least 14 deaths since 2016. Tesla has until July 19 to respond, facing potential civil penalties for non-compliance. Tesla in the spotlight at the World Artificial Intelligence Conference. Tesla CEO Elon Musk joined the opening ceremony of the 2023 World Artificial Intelligence Conference in Shanghai, which commenced on Thursday. During the ceremony, Musk praised China's potential in various sectors, including AI, and expressed confidence in the country's AI capabilities. Moreover, Musk discussed Tesla's progress towards achieving full self-driving capability and highlighted the latest version of its FSD beta. While Tesla was a key player in the event, other US AI giants like OpenAI were noticeably absent. Besides Tesla, several other prominent US companies, including Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft, participated in the conference. However, it's worth noting that the number of US sponsors has declined since 2019, with Qualcomm being the only US company sponsoring the event this year. Tesla's recruitment drive to better Autopilot and FSD. In an effort to improve its Autopilot and FSD auto driving systems, Tesla has launched a recruitment drive for individuals to drive its electric cars throughout the summer. This initiative, available only to U.S. residents, aims to collect data to further enhance the self-driving software. Although the job is currently limited to the United States, Tesla features 18 vacancies with a wage range of $18 to $48 per hour. Positions are available in American cities such as Austin, Miami, and Tempe. Last year, the company laid off 200 employees who were driving autonomous vehicles. Now, the brand hopes to regain its status as the top autonomous driving system and eventually expand its technology to other manufacturers. Electric vehicle market dynamics in China. In an interesting twist, Tesla and 15 other automakers, including Chinese EV makers BYD, NIO, XPeng, and Li Auto, have pledged to end the price war in the country's electric vehicle market. The automakers signed a pact during a ceremony at the China Auto Forum in Shanghai. This decision appears to be a countermeasure to stabilize the market following Tesla's aggressive pricing strategy early in 2023, which sparked a drop in EV prices from competitors to remain feasible. Despite the initial concerns raised by Tesla's price cuts, the strategy worked, recording over 466,000 deliveries in Q2 of 2023. Looking ahead, the market looks promising, thanks largely to improving supply chain conditions, a renewed consumer sentiment towards EVs, and lower prices. The Chinese auto market is expected to witness a substantial 30% YoY increase in sales of new energy passenger vehicles in June. NIO expands in Europe. In other news, Tesla's competitor, NIO, is gradually extending its footprint in Europe by opening the NIO Innovation Center in Berlin, Germany. As part of their expansion, NIO plans to introduce its innovative EVs in the UK at a yet-to-be-announced date. Notable in NIO's offering is the unique feature of a fully removable battery system called PowerSwap, which can be replaced within 5 minutes at designated swap stations. Although NIO currently has around 1,500 swap stations in China, there are only 18 in Europe. However, NIO's UK managing director unveils plans to place swap stations no more than 2 to 3 minutes from a trunk road in the UK. The success of NIO's autos in the European market will likely rely on the PowerSwap feature and continuous improvements through user feedback. Tesla's quest to replace gas-powered semi-trucks. As part of Tesla's environmental mission to replace gas-powered semi-trucks with electric versions, the company appears to have produced a limited number of trucks over a 3-month period. A recent recall notice shows a production of as few as 36 trucks from between November 2022 and March 2023. Interestingly, the number of trucks produced corresponds with an order placed by PepsiCo. Although the recall is for an issue with the side door warning system, the move towards electric trucks is a significant step towards reducing air pollution, especially when heavy-duty trucks contribute significantly to overall emissions. It's hopeful that Tesla will amp up production and sales enough to replace a substantial number of gas-powered trucks on the roads. Tesla in New Zealand and the mysterious Project Highland. Further afield in New Zealand, Tesla's first Cybertruck made its debut in a testing capacity. Images from the country also reveal a mysterious camouflage sedan alongside other Tesla vehicles in the snow around Queenstown. This sedan is speculated to be Tesla's replacement for the Model 3, known as Project Highland, marking a major facelift for the popular model while also being more affordable. Interestingly, Tesla has been known to use the Southern Hemisphere Proving Grounds snow facility for cold weather testing for several years, suggesting this may be an ideal location to put Project Highland through its paces. Back in the present, the Model 3 remains one of the most popular electric vehicles in New Zealand, registering approximately 600 deliveries in the first 6 months of 2023 alone. Cybertruck pre-production underway. Closer to home in Palo Alto, California, the Tesla Cybertruck was recently spotted driving on Interstate 280. The appearance of the all-electric pickup truck and a Cybertruck fan's comments on its suspension hint at the pre-production phase being underway. Adding to this, Tesla plans to hold the first delivery event for the Cybertruck by the end of the year, suggesting the company is making steady progress towards launching its futuristic pickup. Preparations are also in progress at Gigafactory, Texas, where Tesla is setting up a dedicated assembly line for the Cybertruck and plans to shift staff from the Model Y line to augment production. The company's lofty production goal states an aim to produce 375,000 Cybertruck units annually, a figure that is sure to turn heads in the automotive industry. Tesla's mission toward full self-driving. Despite regulatory probes and investigations, Tesla's CEO Elon Musk is still optimistic about achieving fully autonomous vehicles without human supervision later this year. During his appearance at the World Artificial Intelligence Conference in Shanghai, Musk mentioned his expectations for the rollout of autonomous driving technology, stating that full self-driving could be realized soon. This development comes alongside Tesla's ongoing efforts to maintain and strengthen its foothold in China, the world's largest EV market, where the company plans to build a second factory in Shanghai. Given that EVs now make up a quarter of car sales in the country with various new models introduced recently, Tesla's continued advancement in this crucial market is paramount. This is all for today. Tune in tomorrow for more updates and don't forget to like and subscribe. Although hopefully of informative value, the purpose of this video is entertainment and not any kind of advice, especially not investment advice. The content is AI generated and hence potentially contains errors. Links to articles for further reading on the discussed topics are provided in the video description.